Question number 14. Monochromatic light is used to produce double slit interference pattern fringes on a screen. Double slit interference, which experiment? YDSE, Young's double slit experiment, right? Okay, the fringe separation is Y, fringe separation is Y, which means what? Is giving you the fringe width. Fringe width. How do you write the fringe width? As with the letter beta, and here it is given as letter Y. The distance from the slits to the screen and the separation of the slits are both doubled. What is distance from the slits to the screen? Which is capital D. This is your capital D. And separation of slits, this is small d, right? So first what we will do is let us write like this. So initially when you have beta as your fringe width, we know this expression is given by lambda d divided by small d. And this is capital D, this is small d. Now what is happening? This capital D is made 2d, small d is made 2d. Okay. And then, the right source is unchanged. Okay, lambda dash, this is lambda, here also lambda. What is the new fringe separation? What is this beta dash? See, if it is beta dash, what you can do is you can just say lambda into capital 2d divided by small 2d. Okay, so 2 goes away. So once again I get lambda into capital D by small d, which is the same as beta or y. Okay, so and hence the fringe separation does not change, right? So therefore the right answer is B. Okay, let us move on to the next one.